The history of Yorkshire pigs in South Carolina. Yorkshire pigs, one of the most popular pig breeds in the world. But how did these hardy, white-coated pigs make their way from England to the heart of South Carolina? Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of Yorkshire pigs in the Palmetto State. The story of Yorkshire pigs begins in England in the 18th century. Originally bred in the county of Yorkshire, these pigs were prized for their large size, lean meat, and adaptability. By the 19th century, they had gained popularity across Europe and beyond. In the early 1800s, as agriculture expanded in the United States, British farmers and livestock breeders began exporting Yorkshire pigs to America. Their journey took them across the Atlantic and into the heartlands of the South, where farming was booming. By the late 19th century, Yorkshire pigs had established a foothold in South Carolina. Farmers in the Lowcountry and upstate regions saw their potential, not just for their meat, but for their ability to thrive in various climates. Over the years, Yorkshire pigs became a staple in South Carolina's pork industry. Their high reproductive rates, rapid growth, and quality meat made them a favorite among hog farmers. Yorkshires are great pigs. They're hardy. They produce a lot of piglets, and their meat is some of the best you'll find. That's why they're still a top choice for farmers here in South Carolina. And let's not forget their impact on Southern cuisine. From pulled porks and witches to whole hog barbecues, Yorkshire pigs have played a crucial role in South Carolina's food culture. Today, Yorkshire pigs remain one of the most widely raised breeds in the state. With advances in farming and a continued demand for high-quality pork, their legacy is stronger than ever. So next time you enjoy a delicious pork dish, remember the Yorkshire pig has been a part of South Carolina's history for over a century, and their story is still being written.